So you want to do this home website of the ByteSplash along with me within half an hour. Within half an hour to 45 minutes, not more than that. Right? So just open this ByteSplash. That's it. So now I want you to make along with me. I already explained yesterday. If someone already completed, please raise the hands. Completed, right? ఇది ఇదే ఇది this one ఇది ఇది that's fine. So ఈ ఫ్లోటింగ్ లెవెల్ ఇలాగే రావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. బట్ స్టిల్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు గివ్ ద ఇన్పుట్స్ దట్స్ ఫైన్. ఇన్పుట్స్ ఇస్తే చాలు. ఇది డ్రాప్ డౌన్ విత్ ఓన్లీ వన్ ఆప్షన్ ప్లస్ 9 దట్స్ ఫైన్. ఇది ఇన్పుట్ మొబైల్ నెంబర్, ఇన్పుట్ టైప్ నెంబర్ అయినా పెట్టండి. ఇది బటన్. సో ఓకే, విల్ డూ అలాంగ్ విత్ మీ. వేర్ ఎవర్ యూ స్టక్ యూ జస్ట్ ట్రై టు డూ. ఇదే. సో బేసికల్లీ వైఫై పాస్వర్డ్ విల్ బి ఎనీథింగ్. CR1 byte capital B BYT byte C1 capital C1 @4444 byte C1 @4444 capital C capital V. Same byte C2 @4444 byte C3 @4444 byte computer lab CL again byte R reception. Okay, 4444. Fine. Okay, just I am creating homepage.html and homepage.css. I just started it. I just want to link both using link href equal to homepage.css relation equal to style sheet. So that is fine. We just linked it. Now we can start. I can just start header also. From here I can start division, which will call as, I will give some class header container. I created this. So this header container I can apply styles. So this I can apply in homepage.css. That is fine. This header container I can make it display flex or display grid. That's fine. I can have one division. One is for logo container. Another is for anchor tags, means links. First one anchor, which is home. Right? Is it correct? Next one carries. Next one contact us. Courses. Another one contact us. Right? Next one mail. Right? So mail means I want SVG. So just copy this. I want SVG repo email, right? So just copy this SVG repo email. Just put Gmail, means you'll get the Gmail. I want this one. So just download SVG vector, or you can copy also if you want. So I just downloaded and I will just copy. Open with VS Code so that we'll get that. So I got this. I just copy this SVG. Put it after email. This I don't want this size. I just want 25. 25 pixels, so it might be great. So now after that, I will say email, right? Enquiries at bytesplash.in. So after this, I have mobile phone. And whenever you click the anchor tag, it should open Gmail. Then there we will put href mail to colon enquiries at bytesplash.in. It might open email box, which is default one. Again, we have another thing which is mobile phone, right? For this also, you can put anchor tag as call to +91 6301 062858. Got it? So that you can put +91 6301 062858. Before that, I want mobile icon. Here, just give NBSP non-breakable space so that you will get one space after the icon for the email. The same way for mobile number also. So just give some call. So you'll get call icon. I want call icon, which is decent call. Just give this. Fine. I will edit this vector. I don't want black. It's line color. Give this color also. So I want this. This line I don't want at all. I don't want this line. Remove this. Now copy this SVG if you want to download. Just give at the rate of NVSP. In logo, just I don't have logo. I just want to steal the logo and inspect it. So just steal this by just clicking and selecting on that. Here we have logo. We are having this, right? It is transparent image basically. That is .png file. So we'll use the same also. I'll just take this and we'll use the same. If I put restriction, we cannot use. Yes. Just its image tag, image src equal to this one. Fine. After that, I want some paragraph, which will be training on placement center. So I want universal format. So I can use universal selector using star. I want font as sans serif. I got it. If I don't want sans serif, I want some Google font. Go to Google Fonts. You can download your own font. Just go to Google Fonts and browse some fonts. I want to create some font like this, like Chinese font. I can use that also, but fine. Just give some this one, Robo or something which you like most. I want this font. You see, I want no, that one also not fine. I want this font. Just click on this. You just get font. Get embed code or download it. Just get embed code. You will get this embed code in the web. You got it? So this embed code you will put in the head tag. Now you got that font. Now you need to apply that font. That is nothing but font family. Pat sans serif. This I want. Then I can apply to universal selector. We can apply PT sans and sans serif that will be applied with this Google font which we are downloaded. This Google font will be applied. So now let's check where we are. At what stage? We are at this stage. Fine, that is fine. So now this image should not be this much. I want to increase the size and width. Let's see the size and width of the original website. If you know, just inspect this. It is 185 and 33. 185 width and 33 height. Just give the same. So width as 185, height as is for 33. So now this is fine. Now before that I have placement center which is applied Google font, but I want only ByteSplash font, which is Calibri. I think I will apply for this. I can create a class for this, which is class uh, inst name. I want to apply CSS for this so that I can apply whatever the color which I know, which we want, right? We can give institute name, font family, Calibri. We use Calibri basically, and font weight 600, color gray, right? Then just check now. So we got this, but this font size I want something increase that font size, right? I want to increase some more, medium. Is it fine? Okay, fine. So it is fine, but it is very, it's very next to that. So I don't want that. This P institute name will be very next to that. I want to give some, give margin top minus 2 rem, top minus 1. So that is fine. We have this. So now we want to align all this one after another. So we have this anchor tags one after another. Just give something to this. So now what I will do, I will put float left for this. This header container, I will apply float left. Float left. Not header container. Okay. You want to apply for logo container for float left, because header container is the top one. You need to apply for the logo container for float left. So apply logo container, float left. So now fine, we got in the same page, but that height is very high. So for what? For this one, height is very heavy, right? So now what I want to do, I want to create a class for this, which is nav container. I can create some more div for this as nav container, right? I can just put some nav container here. Here we have the links. This links I will just give with height as fit content. I don't want to give height more than that. Fit content means how much the content it will take the height, that much is enough. Height as fit content or max content. Then I want to make it side by side. It's already side by side. Let's check what is happening. Right click and inspect. Okay, because of this image, everything got down. That you remember now. So now this image also we need to remove. So this image is 153. I want to give only 25, right? Because of image, everyone got down, right? Now check everyone is there here. You got it? Now we need to give some space. So we need to put some margin for this container. So this is nav container, right? This nav container. So this is the nav container. We'll give some margin left we want basically. Margin left is only main thing. Or give margin for all the sides as 1 rem. This is fine. It will get all the sides margin. But margin left I want more because I want to make it more right. Margin left I will give 5 rem. For which I applied. I applied for nav container. No, I need to apply for which container? Uh, nav container only, right? Fine. Okay. We'll inspect and do this. Yes. The attribute is name is different. Means attribute name is wrong. Then it might apply for nav container. So we'll give margin as, is it correct? Let's check. Okay. Don't give margin 5, just give margin left 5. It's not up. Just give margin left 5. 5 rem. Why it's not applying? Okay, let it be. Mhm. So what is the parent element of this? It's nav container. Mhm. Okay. Margin right 0 rem. Mhm. Header containers. Just make uh, display flex direction row, justify content, space, space around, not space around, space between. Fine. It's moved to right side. So what we'll do? Mm, this one nav container. We'll apply this nav container. So inside nav container, whatever we have, mm, just remove all this. So we'll make margin left as -5 rem. This will getting it. Okay, fine. So what I will do here? So everything I will put inside the another division. Here I'll create a inner container. This nav container. Mm, Again, I will create as a flex box. Display flex flex direction row. Justify content start. This is not correct. I think I don't want that. Let it be. Uh, this is not required. Okay, we got it. So we want margin left 15 there. Fine, we already got this. So we are here. So not 15, we'll just give 10. That is fine. So now I want to give anchor tags as margin for only anchor tags. Here, how I can give, because it is the child of the nav container. Inside nav container, we have the anchor tags, which is the child selector. We can apply this one like margin top and bottom I can give 0.5 rem, left and right I can give 2 rem. One rem. You see now we have this anchor tags. Again, this enquiries email icon on mobile phone we have. This anchor tags and all. Okay. Color white. Background color has 001 VD. Color white. Padding. I'll give padding for the anchor tags, so we'll get padding 0.5 rem, 1 rem. Okay, I want to give some border radius. Border radius 6 pixel. So finally, I will give anchor tags are text decoration under, sorry, none. So just give this. So okay, this I want white. That is SVG, right? Here this SVG I want white SVG. Here I can I can change the fill color as 007 has 022 F. So now I will apply box shadow for all this. Again apply box shadow CSS. Give something. I want this one. This we applied, right? This one I just apply. I apply for the header container. The whole header. Let's apply for whole header. Let's see. Header box shadow. So we applied. Okay. So header we have padding top 0.5 rem, right 0.5 rem, bottom 0.5 rem, left 0.5 rem. Okay, bottom I don't want. Bottom just remove as 0. So top I want 0.7 rem. So now finally this header I should get like margin top minus 1 rem. Just put this 0.5 rem. And its width should be 100%. So margin left 0 pixel. Okay, we adjusted. So now these buttons I should not get like this. What I want for these buttons, whenever I hover, then only I should get this. So these styles we apply for this. Whenever I hover on this anchor tags. So normally color should be 007, font weight should be 600. That is fine. Okay, I need to apply this border, this and all. Margin also. See, whenever I hover on this, this should come like this. This I applied somewhat. And apart from this, whenever I hover on it, should come as cursor pointer. Got it? It should be cursor pointer. This is fine. I created header now. So I created header, guys. Now I will go with image. I will steal the image first. So where is that image? This one. Right click and steal this. So just get the same image. And just get the same image. Yes, we got the same image. Just use the same image, okay? So I want to start another division, which is class content container. Here in this container, I will create one division which will be having image first. Image src equal to this one. What is the width and height of this image? Normally in the laptop view, it might be around, just check. So just dock it up, dock side, and just try to get the image size. It is how much? Image is 359, 359, 359, 359. So we'll give 360, 360 pixel. So height as 360, width as 360. So we got image. So what we'll do, we'll create as uh, home image container. So we'll make it as float left again. Okay. This home is a image container. I will make it as float left. Again, we'll create one more division, which is home text container. So we'll create another class, which is home text container. Inside this, see now we got this set. So after this, we'll start the next division building. So just copy the same what I want. See this best. So this is almost H1. H1 tag. After this one is paragraph. Here we have ByteSplash LMS learning management system. Here, just give span. There, give some anchor tag. Inside anchor tag, give href https lms dot bytesplash dot in. So we got that. See, we got the same, but let's see. So we want to align it properly. For this home next container, I want to give as margin as 1 rem. Again give margin left as 2 rem. Okay, for this anchor tag, this is applied. This we will eliminate that. So give some padding. Padding as 2 rem. Yeah, we got this. So now this one it is applied. I will eliminate that. So basically, uh, what we will apply for anchor tag means which anchor tag? We need to apply nav container anchor tags. So that I need to select. I can select like this. क्या हुआ? Okay, let it be. So I will apply for this, which is an anchor tag, home text container, uh, home text container will have some anchor tags. That anchor tag, I will give text decoration none for give everything as uh, margin and padding as none. Margin none, padding none. Is it applying? Padding none, not important. Create a class for this. Class LMS anchor. Padding as none. Border radius none. Text decoration. It is navigating. Okay, I will create some class for all this. It's disturbing. Class anchor. So now this is good. So what I can do, font weight bold, LMS anchor, font weight bold, text decoration will put underline whenever we hover it. So whenever we hover it, we'll make it underline. Normally LMS anchor color equal to #0071BT. So this is fine. This is the same which we have. So after this, what I want, getting started button, right? Inside, beside it, it's courses. Just enter getting started button here. Get started. Give some button as get started. We can create a class for this button, get started. So this get started. So just give something. Get started as padding top and bottom. I want 0.7 rem. Left and right, I want 1.2 rem. Font weight, bolder, font size, medium, font family, sans serif, background color has 001 PD, color as white. Whenever you hover on it, it should become dark black color, something kind of. Get started on hover. Whenever you hover on it, this I want to make it more like this. So now let's see what might happen. So this is fine, but I don't want the border. Border will put as none. Is this fine, everyone? Till this point, are you able to follow till this point? So now we need to put the image, right? So let's put some image. The same image, I will steal it. So just right click and inspect it. This is also same image. I made it as same single image. Just hover on it. I'll just put the same. As I will put courses as a H3 tag. Courses. This color is text secondary because that is in gray color. We'll put as text secondary. All the text secondary will be in color as second color, font weight 500. Now start image. IMG SRC equal to this one. Just give the same image. So now we got like this. So basically what we got, this one is coming little bit. I make this image increase little bit or I will make it move upside. I will make it 2 hours upside basically. So we'll start. This is home text container, right? Margin left, margin fine. We'll take margin top as 0 rep. -1 rep. Fine. I made it something kind of this. Just use some margin 1.5 rep. Hello. Ah. Have you followed till this point, guys? We'll continue. Hmm? Just create another division. So we want to make two divisions side by side. Use float left and give divide as 45% and 50%, give some margins with the same divisions. So two divisions. One is class uh, half page container. Again give one half page container. Give both half page. So just give this half page container as first this half page container you need to do float left. You already know. And give width as 45% of the parent width. Parent means viewport because that is division is there in the body. So now give background color as has 007 1BD, margin as 1 rep. Fine. Margin as 1 rep. Then give border radius as 8 pixel. When we don't have anything here, just give something. So we got this. So containers we got like this. If we have some content, we have that, right? So give this as 47%. So now it is fine. We can get the two containers. We need to write content inside that, right? Now what we provide, this is H2. Just put H2, okay? So for this half page container, give some padding. So we don't need to give external padding, give some padding as 1 rem, 1.5 rem, that's it. It might be okay. So what we provide, this is unordered list and this is also unordered list. Give this to unordered list, UL, that is LI, as one, as another LI, as another LI. That is fine. Let's deep dive into curriculum again. After this, give some H3. After this, you can put the button, uh, that SVG icon, arrow, SVG icon, arrow right, some kind of. We put the different one now. Edit this. What is that? Just put white and put, let's see, S hash FFFFF. Is it white? Copy SVG. Put here in the button. Uh, so I will give some white space for this button. So for this button, I will give some class, BTN explore. Give some kind of BTN explore. Just give background color as gray. 1 second. So this is, we want to give width and height. It is only 25 I want. So again here I can give as border none. Here half page container I give color as white. So okay, is 1 second. Okay, that's fine. The next one we will build your path for successful career, which will be here. The next container, which will be H2. Your path for successful career. The next one, new batch task. Again, will create a division here inside this. Means class query container will create the same. Again, this query container I will give as padding. Padding 1 rem, all the sides. Background color white. So let's see now. Yes, so we got this. From here we'll start. New batch starts from January 2024, which is H3. We can also make text transform capitalize. Fine. Next paragraph. Submit your details so that we'll get back to you. This one just give style color as has 001 BD. Fine. 1, 2, 3, submit. So you want these three fields and submit. Uh, Input type equal to text. Uh, Placeholder, enter email. Name. So again, we want next. We want to break the line. Again, we want to break the line. Again, I want to mention input type equal to number, placeholder, enter, mobile number. I want to break the line, just put it. Again, before that, I want submit, means button, submit. Just give all inputs and buttons as 100% with first. Input, comma, button as width 90%. So input I need to give as padding 0.5 rem and 1 rem. Font family sans serif. Background color has. Okay, just give background color as this. Outline none. Color as 001 BD. Okay, we got this. So now I want to be margins for this all inputs and buttons. Margin bottom as 0.5 rem. Just get something. So this on all boxes I want border radius as 8 pixel. Border I don't want anything, none. So okay, lightly I will put border as 1 pixel, solid gray. This might be okay. For example, for now today. Just give button as background color has 001 BD, color as white, uh, width as 100%. Just put 97. Let's see. So we got this. This one, uh, both should be equivalent. I'll put some more line, okay, as of now. And this is fine. Till now, I get started is so we don't want to again just create a class, submit BTN. So we can apply for this, not all the buttons. Yeah. Okay. For submit BTN, huh? Fine. We can apply. We applied it. Again, the next one will be this one. It's only the thing we need to append this. Okay. For this, we can also apply box shadow. Uh, it seems like tight. I don't know why. దీనికి అప్లై చేయాలి కదా. So for this whole half container and half container, I will put all the half containers in a single division. So just create middle container. For this, I will apply box shadow. Just copy this box shadow. Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one I want? This one. So box shadow is applied for this. Just give border radius. Border radius 8 pixel. So I got this. Fine. So below this, I want H1 tag as this one, a better program. So this will align as style, text, align, center. Again, we have these divisions. Remember, this remembers is nothing but flex box. Everyone knows that. So class equal to flex container. Just create 5 divisions. Class equal to flex item. Every flex item will make it as, just create this. This will be completed within 1 minute. Flex container. So display flex, justify content center, align item center if you want. Align items center. Flex item, I want to make it as uh, width 300 pixel. Border 1 pixel, solid gray. This gray I want some transparency. So border radius, I want to apply what? 8 pixel. Next, box shadow, I want to apply what? Light box shadow, this one. Okay, we didn't get any content. So what we do, we just copy some content. So this one has H2 and this one has paragraph for every box. H2 and this one has paragraph. So this I will give some class para light. So for this I will apply styles and make it as font weight as 500. So it color as gray. What is this? We have only one now. Okay. Is flex item is correct? Flex item is correct. Flex container is correct. So what we'll do? We'll put flex container out of this. So we'll give 5 flex container. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this flex containers, we'll apply padding 1 rem. For this again, we'll make it as gap as 1 rem. Now we'll put justify flex direction row. Flex direction row column. Why it's not coming? Flex container. Row. So now put flex wrap. We have only 5. Just remove 1. Just give border radius. Where is human? Border 1 pixel, not oxel. So RGBA. So border radius. So you can upload images also. And finally write some footer. Class footer container. So Get some paragraph. Home courses, contact us. You can set it right. Below that we have all rights reserved. Developed. All rights reserved at ByteSplash 2024. Again below I want designed and developed by Web 7 batch, Web 6 batch. That this one all create a class para footer. So text aligns center. Again we have footer container. Background color as has 071 BD. So this and all we can apply color as white. I can end up with this. So before that for footer container I will apply margin top as 2rem. So we will get the gap. This cursor I want to change. We have WebKit cursor. So WebKit cursor radius. So we have WebKit cursor so that we can change the cursor also. We need to cursor. Cursor custom. Not cursor. WebKit scroll bar radius. We can apply this. Just apply that. Just see what might happen. So this come as scroll bars will be changed using WebKit. So for this, we can change WebKit scroll bar width as 20, not 20. 15 is enough. So scroll bars also I can change. Guys, everyone, it is completed now. See, I just changed scroll bar also. Using WebKit scroll bar, width and height you can put. Here scroll track you can put border radius. So that border radius 10 pixel. So this is radius is changed, right? If I give 8 pixel, it might be different. It is 8 pixel now. So again here I can change the color also. This one. I can change the color here and color there also. So it might change the color also. See, color is changing. We can give here this one also has 0071 BD. So that also you can change. See, that is the color of that. Give 10 pixel. See, give 20 pixels. See, that is changed, right? Color. That is what the today's website. Tomorrow, you just try to do the same. Tomorrow you need to explain. Ram Kumar, Venkatesh Sai Kumar, Venkatesh and Sai Kumar, Atan Sahib, Sabiha, are you clear today?
Yes, sir.
You practice
Yes, sir.
the same.
Yes, sir.
Practice the same and do the same. This web kit scroll bar also you try to do because it is
Yes,
there.
sir.
I will upload these files. So tomorrow
Okay,
you
sir.
need to come and demonstrate here. So I will make you host in the website online also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you all for attending the session. You can stay here, not an issue, for some time and discuss.